Hey folks, Sunsaver here. Time for another audio. No video because I look like shit and I don't feel like getting dressed up for anybody. I'm tired of being a people pleaser. Um, so there, that's all there is to it. I did have some things I wanted to discuss with the public, the world out there at large, so-called friends and neighbors and just other people, anyone that might want to pay attention and listen to this audio or what I have to say. In case you didn't know it, we're in a world war right now. The world is divided into two camps of people. One group believes that the role of government let me put it a different way. One group of people believes that the role of the individual is to serve the government or the state. Let's just say the state, okay? This could be Putin or Trump or the king or whoever, the state, the Communist Party of China, okay, or whoever the biggest millionaire is, whoever the state is, the government is, whoever you call the government. So this one camp believes that the role of the individual is to serve the state. The other camp believes that the role of the state or the role of government is to serve and protect the rights of the individual. Which camp are you in? Think about it. Because you're in a war and you're going to have to pick sides sooner or later. So, do you believe that the role of the individual is to serve the state? Or do you believe that the role of the state is to serve and protect the rights of the individual? Thanks for listening.